Hi everyone, welcome to week 3. At the end of the week, we'll be halfway done with this course. It's flying by. I am so impressed with what I'm seeing so far on the Jamboard for your assignments. This week, we're going to continue with that same assignment, but with Hirsch, Gardner, Maslow, Owen, Bronfenbrenner, and Montessori. You may have noticed that there's more than one person assigned to each theorist. You can feel free, as some people did for the first week on the Jamboard, to partner with whoever is assigned the same theorist. You are welcome to do that if you choose. You're not required to. You can just split up the space on the Jamboard and each do your own thing, whatever works best for you. Jamboard is sort of cool because you can work on that asynchronously with a partner. But again, that is absolutely optional. I think the discussion for week 2 seemed to be challenging because I was asking people to sort of think outside the box to what kind of a visual representation can you think of for either one or a combination of theorists we studied last week. And some of you are very, very concrete and gave us some great infographics. Others were able to do that little bit of thinking outside the box and come up with some very clever memes and visuals. So I appreciated all the different kinds of thinking we had for that. For this week, again, we're going to be looking at some additional theorists. You're going to be watching some video and actually seeing Howard Gardner, who I feel very lucky to have gotten to have seen speaking publicly. He's incredible. Also looking at Montessori and Bronfenbrenner's ecological systems theory. So that's what you're going to be reading, and then also watching some video about Hirsch, a little bit of background of Robert Owens, and I think that's it for the videos. But make sure you go to all the week through overview and learning materials, and you will get to see everything that you're expected to read and view for this week. For our discussion this week, we're going to have you go to the pages of the Jamboard and comment on at least 4 of your classmates' research posts on 4 different theorists. So you're going to have to post 4 times on a sticky note right on the theorist. So what I'm going to ask you to do is try to make your sticky note a different color than what's there and post on at least 4 of your classmates' different theorists. What I'd like you to do is as you do your post, do a screenshot and then upload your screenshots right here into the discussion. That way I can keep track of who's doing what, because it does get a little bit crazy trying to follow along with everyone. So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. Otherwise, again, sticky notes on 4 of your classmates' work on our Jamboard. And our assignment this week is going to be, again, continuing with the Jamboard. So I want you to research the theorists that you have been assigned. Go back to the announcements if you don't remember who. Make sure you review the rubric. I noticed that some people may have forgotten to include the references on last week's Jamboard. Make sure that you do include at least a sticky note, or at the bottom of your other sticky notes, your references, and also use your in-text citations in APA format. I hope that you're finding these Jamboard assignments to be a little bit fun. We really wanted to have you be able to demonstrate your learning without having to write a research paper every time there was new learning. So I appreciate your flexibility with trying new ways to demonstrate your learning. And please make sure when the instructor course evaluations come out, if you have any questions or concerns, or you really liked doing this different kind of way to demonstrate your learning, make sure you let us know, because as we redesign classes, we really, really want to make sure that we are giving people an opportunity to learn and grow and do things that are a little bit different, and really sort of thinking outside the box and extending ourselves. You'll also notice that in this week, we do have a wellness break, so feel free to go through those materials. I hope you find them useful. You'll have to excuse me. I'm having a little bit of an allergy attack here. So Those are the things that you can do. And you're welcome to share with regard to the wellness break. It is ungraded, but feel free to share anything that you would like to there. And then I will see you again at the end of the week. In the meantime, feel free to be in touch if you have any questions. And I'm looking forward to learning with you in week 3. And happy fall. Bye-bye.